Greetings, my name is Jason Sagaci. I am Associate Professor of Welding and Fabrication at Goodwin University on the campus of the University of Bridgeport at our brand new welding and fabrication facility. We teach how to become competent welders and fabricators ready to work in the industries around us in Connecticut and the rest of the world today.
My name is Dylan Richards. I was born and raised in Northwest Arkansas. After high school, I didn't go to college. I was really good at cooking, so I worked in restaurants. Came back up with family. They said, try college. Didn't work out either. Said, I'll try a trade. Picked welding just out of a hat, at random. Great choice, great decision. I saw an ad directly for Goodwin's welding program. I'd already looked around before, but it seemed to be the only one of quality in the area.
Hi, my name is Anthony Gray. I was born and raised in Meriden, Connecticut. I chose this because when I was younger, I used to always like to do stuff with my hands and build stuff. I've learned a lot from this.
The staff make a great effort to make sure that things work out for you regardless of your circumstances. As far as getting into the program, my entrance officer was extremely helpful. Lots of grants that I didn't even know about. It's just been very smooth, very easy.
This field for employment is as open and vast as your imagination. There's really no limit or no industry that does not have some component of welding and fabrication. So if you're curious and you really look around, you can be startled at what you can find.